I'm Nishant Kamrat Murali from PGP06 IIM Bodh Gaya. Today we are doing LR section as a part of the CAT Prep series 2020. I hope the insights I give you will be beneficial and help you crack CAT. So let's begin. LR is not scary. Everyone thinks it is scary because they are new to it. This has not been taught in schools or colleges for that matter. The trick is to have regular practice and keeping a calm mind while solving the questions. The more you familiarize yourself with the different sets, it will be much easier for you to interpret the question and arrive at the answer. LR, like anything else, you can master it. It's all about planning the preparation. I used to attempt few sets of LR every day, and later, down the stretch in the last 2 months, I used to attempt at least a mock in a week. The key to tackling LR is choosing the right sets. By the right sets, I mean the questions you are the most comfortable doing and the ones that take you very less time. With the new format coming your way, I think choosing the right questions becomes even more important. It doesn't matter where you get your study materials from. It could be your coaching institute's material or any book that is meant for logical reasoning preparation for CAT. I personally did my basics from my coaching institute's materials, then moved on to doing mock tests and sectional tests. This helped me get familiar with the topics as well as the time constraint. If you choose the right sets, you will only have to spend about 10 to 12 minutes per set. So the strategy is to take a few minutes off initially after the VARC section, calm yourself down and go through all the sets. Then choose the ones which you feel are the easiest or you are most comfortable doing. There is no clear-cut answer to this. It depends on the difficulty of the paper. From my experience last year, solving 19 questions was enough to get me 99.26 percentile. So, with the new format, I expect about 13 to 14 questions will be enough, given it's on a similar difficulty level. Usually, it is better to attempt all the questions in a set because you have already invested some of your time for reading and understanding the question. But in a case where you feel like a certain question takes a lot of time or you are not sure about the approach, you can mark it and move on to the next set. There is no point in wasting 20 minutes on a set. So I have 4 tips for all CAT 2020 aspirants. Number 1, practice daily. So remember why you set on this journey and keep yourself motivated always. Number 2, doing mock tests. Mock tests are really helpful in training your body and mind for the day of CAT. So number 3, choosing the right sets. No one knows your strengths and weaknesses better than you. So choose the sets that are right for you and stick to them. Number 4, keeping a calm mind. CAT is not just a test of intelligence quotient but also emotional quotient. So eat well, exercise daily and surround yourself with the right people. Alright, so we have come to the end of this video. Hopefully you guys were able to derive something useful from this session. The next video will be by Malyaj and he will take up the con section. Good luck everyone.